So we've got a 2019 Dodge Ram here, and Philip showed up, and what ended up happening was the tonneau cover would not close the same length on both sides. So what I did is I measured both sides, and I noticed this one is 5.5 and the other side was 6. Now if you're having this problem, you're probably like, well, how the heck do I fix that nice and easily? Well, pretty easy. Take a 13mm socket, loosen this one, loosen that one. As soon as you loosen the two clamps on the side, this will still be stuck because from factory it will be, but now you should be able to grab, and we'll just put our hip there so that way we don't move it too much. But see how you can move it a lot right now? Well, we're gonna sink this back in and we're gonna pull it out. So both sides are 5.5. This one had worked itself out to 6. So the best way to fix that, we'll move this back to 5.5 so that way it will once again seal and be watertight. So again, if you have two people, one person measures with the measuring tape, so that way it's right there, and then we slowly kind of just do this. So tell me when we're at 5.5, where are we at right now?
Like under like 4 7/8.
Okay. Now?
Just 5 now.
Okay.
No. Okay, that. No, it's still at 5.
Okay, one sec.
That's close. You got like another 1/8 of an inch.
Okay. Oh, too much. Either way, that's what you're gonna do. You can even take the clamps right out. I just loosen them, but where are we at now?
I just feel backwards with this tape measure.
That's okay.
Now we're at 6.
We're at 6. Perfect. So again, now we'll be at probably what?
It looks like 5.5 to me.
5.5 right there?
Yeah.
So we'll tighten down the clamps, we'll close it and see, but that's how you do it. You'll have to just do that, and then you'll line these back up. We can even just crank the one for right now to 13. I'll still put that one back on, and it's pretty easy to know where it lined up. And again, just give them a nice crank. Don't go too He-Man, but also make sure they don't back off because you don't want your tonneau cover taking a parachute ride off the back of your truck on the highway. So now we grab it. First thing I notice is it's already smoother. And now just grab it for the last little bit. And ta-da. Well, we'll see here. That's pretty close. I think this one might have slid a little bit forward when we were doing it. So, either way, let's try it out. Sync it up. There we go. And it's at least weather sealing now. Before, it wasn't. Something important when you close this, you should not be able to move it. And that's how we know we're perfect. Because if this had a little bit of slop, then we would know that the rail, once again, it's probably not sitting 100% right, so we gotta adjust the rail. Anyways, thanks again for watching. That is how you adjust your tonneau cover. And again, you can tell here that we're sealed along the edge. Yeah, sure, it's lifted a little bit right here, but that's just because it's sitting on the gasket. That's all there is to it. One last maintenance tip. Go ahead and on all the wheels and the tracks, go ahead and shoot it all with silicone lubricant. If you do that, it'll move way easier, and it's always good maintenance, keeps everything from being squeaky and annoying. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Press like if it helped you out and subscribe for more.